The pneumatic control of the AccurateFlow system is managed by 3 modular control units. The number of these control units depends on the system configuration of the respective facility. Thanks to the modular design of AccurateFlow, almost any conceivable configuration can be realized. The flexibility ensures that AccurateFlow can meet all common guidelines and standards. The control block combines manual and electrical activation in a modern design. It is clearly recognizable from a distance as a control unit. Everyone intuitively understands that the handles have a control function and that something happens when they are operated. In some countries, the complexity and lack of clarity in operating gas extinguishing systems may have led to regulations that prohibit manual activation. These regulations are intended to reduce the risk of incorrect operation in stressful situations. However, this prohibition can compromise safety, as it removes the ability for well-trained operators or the fire brigade to manually activate the system. Our AccurateFlow system offers a much clearer and more user-friendly control, minimizing such risks and enhancing safety. The mechanical blocking device functions essentially like a high-pressure ball valve, with both end positions being monitored. This ensures that the extinguishing agent central unit is always informed about the operational status of the mechanical blocking device. The innovation of the AccurateFlow blocking mechanism is that it is clearly recognizable as a control element, and its operational status is visible from a distance. Thanks to its identical dimensions to the control block, it can be easily positioned on the mounting rail. This places it at a comfortable working height next to the other control elements. A distinctive feature of AccurateFlow is the combination of mechanical blocking, manual activation, and electrical activation in a single control element. The Combi-Block not only reduces installation time on site, but also improves the quality of the installation. Accuro has recognized that the dusty and dirty environment on construction sites is unsuitable for delicate and sensitive mechanical work. Therefore, these tasks should primarily be performed in a clean environment, such as a workshop. A high degree of prefabrication under such conditions ensures the flawless functioning of the system. The use of the Combi-Block not only contributes to clarity, but also gives the system an appealing appearance. The Combi-Block can be equipped with up to 4 limit switches, allowing the operational status to be read at any time and comprehensively at the extinguishing agent central unit. To ensure the safety and proper functioning of the extinguishing system, all handles are equipped with locks. The keys are only issued to authorized personnel, and in countries where manual activation is prohibited, the service technician of a specialized company keeps the keys. This prevents manual activation on site. For planned work, such as soldering in the extinguishing area, the system can be blocked, and this blockage secured with a lock. This prevents uninformed individuals from accidentally lifting the blockage and thereby causing an unintentional activation of the system.